Hi, this is a recording of Storm Chasing as composed by William Owens. This is the flute part. Lots of exciting things happening in this piece. We have the tempo changes very quickly. In the beginning we have quarter note equals, oh it's 90, it's not 80. You gotta change it to 90. And then at measure 13 at the double bar line, the storm happens. It's quarter note equals 152. When you have two notes at the same time, you practice all the top notes, and then the second time you practice all the bottom notes. When you're practicing this in rehearsal, some people play the bottom, some people play the top. Play whatever your teacher told you, or just practice both so that you're prepared. At measure 13 and 14 and the first note of 15, those notes are accented. You have to tongue them a little bit harder. They're more important than the other notes that happened previously. If you see the dots over your notes from measure 16 to measure 21, those are staccato. Remember, those are separate. You have to bounce and make those notes a little bit shorter. 23, take your pencil, circle that half rest, write a big 1, 2 there so that you don't play on that rest by accident. Find measure 29, the dynamic does change. You are piano. Again, you play either the top notes, which are G's, or the bottom notes, which at 29 is G, F, F, F. Sometimes it's a little tough to read when they're so close together, but it's a G or an F. Find measure 41, again circle that half rest, write 1, 2. These half notes are tied to each other, so you are smushing them together so that they are longer notes. If you're playing the top notes, then you are playing the G for 4 beats and another 4 beats before you change to G, F, G. Again, same thing with the bottom notes. You play a C for 4 beats, another C for 4 beats, G, F, then D. There's a repeat sign at 44, you go back to 41 and you play it again. Anything else happening in this piece? Find measure 57, it's the very last measure. Those little triangles there, those are called marcato. That means they are accented and they are short. That's all. All right, let's start the metronome at a quarter note equals 90. Before the storm starts, I'm going to stop between measure 12 and measure 13 so we can change the tempo for you guys. In your rehearsal and in your performance, that won't happen, but just for the sake of the metronome, that's what we're going to do. Okay, here we go. Measure 1. 1, 2, 3. Let's switch the metronome to the faster tempo. I'll be playing the top notes. When you're playing with the recording, you can also play the top notes, or you can play the bottom notes. We could have some cool harmony happening. Got the beat in your feet. Accent these notes. 1, 2, the storm. Start right now.